Most people start trading for excitement. They imagine fast money, screens flashing, orders flying, and adrenaline with every trade. In the early days, trading is like a roller coaster. Every candle seems crucial. Every win feels like proof you're smart. Every loss feels personal, like the market is punishing you. Beginners often mistake chaos for progress. The more emotional and reactive they are, the more they think they're learning. But as traders improve, trading starts to feel boring. And this is where most traders panic. They expect trading to remain exciting forever. When it doesn't, they think something is broken. Professional trading is nothing like the beginner fantasy. It's no longer entertainment. It's no longer stimulation. It's routine. It's repetition. It's quiet. And the mind hates quiet. Most traders fail not because they don't know enough, but because they can't tolerate boredom. Early on, chaos feels productive. Overtrading feels like effort. Every decision seems critical. But chaos is not progress. Noise is not edge. Activity is not profitability. Professional traders wake up knowing exactly what they're looking for, and they know most days won't offer it. They spend more time observing than trading, more time doing nothing than doing something. Beginners think money comes from action. Professionals know it comes from patience. Professional trading feels boring because wins don't excite and losses don't panic. Both are expected, both are planned, and both are already accounted for. When a professional loses, it doesn't feel dramatic. It feels ordinary. Losses are just part of the system, not a personal failure. Most traders crave certainty, validation, and excitement. Professionals don't. They only need consistency. A single trade is meaningless. What matters is execution over hundreds of repetitions. That mindset removes thrill. Professional traders don't chase. They don't panic. They shrug when they miss moves. They detach. Excitement exists when uncertainty and identity are tied to outcomes. Professionals remove their identity from the trade. Think about any profession. A surgeon doesn't feel adrenaline every operation. A pilot doesn't feel excitement every flight. An accountant doesn't feel emotion filing reports. Trading works the same way. Beginners chase dopamine. Professionals chase reliability. Most people abandon profitable systems because they mistake boredom for failure. But boredom is often a sign of progress. It's the moment the market tests. Can you follow your plan when nothing is happening? Most cannot. Professional trading feels boring because the chaos, guessing, and emotional attachment are gone. What's left is execution. Execution isn't exciting, it's effective. Professional trading also becomes boring because your edge is narrow. You only trade high-probability setups in precise conditions. Everything else is ignored. And the market doesn't always provide those setups. Long stretches of inactivity are normal. Most traders can't tolerate that. They feel pressure to act, to make money. They trade when they shouldn't, and lose. Professionals learn to wait. They understand that sitting on hands is often the most profitable move. Waiting is boring. Doing nothing is boring. Watching opportunity pass by is boring. But that boredom protects capital. It reinforces discipline. It separates the amateurs from the pros. Professional trading doesn't just feel boring, it actively provokes discomfort. And that discomfort is what leads most traders to sabotage themselves. When nothing happens, the mind searches for stimulation. It invents urgency where none exists. What if this is the move? You're wasting time. Other traders are making money right now. You're falling behind. Those thoughts don't come from logic. They come from boredom. Many traders overtrade not because opportunities exist, but because doing nothing feels wrong. They take trades that don't fit their plan, increase size impulsively, or chase setups that are marginal at best. Not because it improves results, but because boredom is uncomfortable. Professional traders do the opposite. They lean into boredom. They understand it's the signal that discipline is in control. They don't need stimulation from the market. They only act when their plan allows. Most days that means long stretches of inactivity. and sitting idle can feel impossible for beginners. The urge to do something grows stronger with every passing minute. That urge is the mind's way of testing your patience. Professional traders thrive on this test. They don't panic when price moves without them. They don't fear missing out. They shrug, note what happened, and wait for the next high-probability setup. Selectivity feels boring. Passing on trades that almost fit, ignoring setups that look good, watching price move without you, it all feels uncomfortable. But it protects their account. It reinforces their edge. It separates the amateurs from the pros. Consistency often feels unrewarding at first. Winning trades don't create excitement. Losing trades don't cause panic. Many traders self-sabotage during profitable streaks because repetition feels dull. They experiment with the system, increase risk, or chase action, all to create excitement. Professional traders avoid excitement. They distrust it. Excitement often signals uncontrolled risk. They want trades to feel boring. Boring means expectations are realistic, risk is controlled, and rules are being followed. Professional trading also feels boring because decision-making is minimized. Everything is predefined: entries, stops, targets, risk. There's no improvisation, no last-minute creativity. And the better you get, the fewer trades you're allowed to take. Your edge exists only in narrow conditions. Those conditions don't appear often, which creates long stretches of inactivity. Inactivity tests patience more than losses ever will. No trade, no feedback, just time passing. Most traders quit when trading stops being fun. They assume boredom is failure, but boredom is often the final stage before true consistency. It's when emotional chaos fades and execution takes over. Professional trading feels boring because it's predictable, controlled, and unemotional. The thrill is gone, but risk is contained. Losses are expected. Wins are expected. Nothing surprises the professional. And this is exactly why professionals last. They learn to embrace quiet, repetition, and patience. At some point, every trader reaches a quiet stage. No rush, no urgency, no constant action. This is the true test of consistency. Boredom is not a problem. It's a signal. It shows that emotional trading is fading. Impulsive behavior is gone. The market no longer controls your mood. Most traders misinterpret it. They think boredom means they're losing edge. So they add indicators, switch time frames, break rules, trade impulsively, all because they can't tolerate the quiet. Professional traders do the opposite. They embrace boredom. They understand it signals stability and control. Boredom means risk is managed. Expectations are realistic. Execution is clean. Professional trading rarely excites because the drama is gone. No panic, no euphoria, no chasing, no revenge, only decisions made in advance and patience in real time. The best traders have simple routines. Same markets, same setups, same risk, day after day, week after week. Monotony is intentional. Consistency requires repetition. Repetition removes emotion. Professional traders separate fulfillment from trading. They don't rely on markets for meaning or excitement. When trading becomes a source of excitement, boredom is dangerous. When trading is just execution, boredom becomes harmless. Discipline is repetitive, unemotional, and quiet. It's the opposite of thrill, but it works. Real profitability looks nothing like highlight reels. It's waiting. It's restraint. It's applying small edges consistently. Boredom is the emotional state of alignment. Nothing forced, nothing chased, nothing avoided. Professional traders embrace boredom because it signals maturity and control. It's proof that their emotions no longer dictate decisions. Trading stops being fun and starts being a craft. Those who last the longest accept the quiet. They show up, execute, and leave. No fanfare, no impulsive trading, day after day, week after week, year after year. Not because it's exciting, but because it's sustainable. Boredom is not failure. It's the final stage before professionalism. Those who embrace it quietly succeed. Those who chase excitement, constantly test boundaries, or fight boredom fail. The irony is this: the calmer trading feels, the closer you are to mastery. The fewer emotional highs and lows, the better your edge compounds over time. If trading feels boring, don't panic. You may not be losing your edge. You may be finding it. Boredom is a sign that your discipline is stronger than your impulses, that your system works, that your process is in control. And that is the real reason professional trading feels boring. Because the market stops being a game and trading becomes a craft. A craft that rewards patience, consistency, and emotional neutrality above all else. The traders who survive and thrive are the ones who embrace the quiet, the ones who wait, the ones who do nothing until the moment is right. And in that patience, in that quiet, lies profitability. Boredom is not a punishment. It's a gift, a signal that you've evolved from the beginner chasing thrill to the professional quietly executing. And that, more than anything else, separates the amateurs from the pros.